What charger cable comes with the Rivian? That was a question I actually didn't know when I took delivery, and I didn't actually look into until I got the truck and I was trying to figure out how to charge it. So it does come equipped with a portable charger cable, and inside a bag, so this is the bag it comes in. Inside there, you get two connectors or two different adapters. Adapter 1 is a 110 or 120 volt adapter, and adapter or connector number 2 is a 220 or 240 volt adapter. These are both directional. You don't have to worry about plugging them in the wrong direction. This is what I actually had installed in my garage. I had a NEMA 1450 installed in the garage, and I'm able to charge daily. If you use the 110 or 120 volt connector, it's going to slowly charge the vehicle and take several hours to several days to charge. So I don't think you'll be using this connector very often. And what does that connector or that adapter plug into? It's going to look something like this. This plugs into the truck itself. And again, this is directional, so you don't have to worry about pushing this in or plugging this in the wrong direction. It's only going to plug in one direction. Plug that in, plug this into your wall, plug that into the truck, and you are charging.